from the heights of the Alps to the edge of human performance. This is the precision engineering of Red Bull.
It starts with the purest alpine water, the silent engine of every can.
Precision-measured taurine and essential B vitamins. Each milligram is a calculated step toward peak performance.
In the heart of the plant, ingredients are fused under strict thermal controls to create the signature Red Bull concentrate. Carbonation is added at precise pressures, giving Red Bull its iconic, refreshing effervescence. Before the first drop is poured, every can is sterilized in a high-speed, ionized environment. Sealed at the speed of sound, a precision double seam ensures the energy is locked inside until the moment it's opened.
Every can is given a digital DNA, total traceability for a global standard of quality.
Artificial intelligence monitors every millimeter. Only the perfect survive the Red Bull standard. Efficiency meets identity. Every pack is prepared for the global stage.
Science ensures consistency. The formula that vitalizes body and mind is tested to the molecular level. Every batch, a masterpiece of precision. Red Bull is now ready to take flight.
Zero defects. We push the limits of physics to ensure every can is world-class. From the factory floor to the podium, Red Bull gives you wings.
Precision in every drop. Excellence in every can.